Harris Water arrives to inspect the emergency water leak. The water main must be shut off in the roadway immediately. The office calls for an emergency permit to begin excavation. The crew arrives and shuts the water in 1 hour. They were able to save the house from any additional damages. The crew now prepared the roadway for the pipe installation. And shortly after, the new copper pipe was installed. And now the new pipe is successfully connected to the city water main. The roadway was paved the very next day. Harris Water Main and Sewer Contractors leaves another very happy client. As we continue to earn our reputation.